Hey guys, what's up? We finally made it to Treehouse. Too bueno?
Yeah.
See? Okay, he had a moto accident. But right now, what we have in front of us are some delicious wings. Okay, guys, so you have an option here at Treehouse. You can get wings with flour on them, abina. E sin. Here. So, Eddie, habla con gentes. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Eddie.
Eddie. Eddie is my moto control driver, and he recently had an accident. And he's very happy right now that he has his life. Right? Gracias, amor. Gracias. And today I am drinking chinola. You can get juices here. ¿Qué tú tienes?
Limón.
Limón. Oh, I love it. Chinola. No mucho azúcar. Okay. Es grande. Wow. Examen otro. Now here at Treehouse, you can get spicy, regular, or salt and pepper. You have a choice of 3 different types of wings. And I got regular. I got regular with flour and regular without flour. ¿Te gusta?
¿Está bueno?
It's bueno.
Eh.
They're pretty big. I've heard a lot about Treehouse wings. And I was told to come here so many times. Mucho gente habla conmigo, ven aquí para alitas.
¿Es bueno?
Es mi technique. ¿Tú entiendes technique? Mira. Bueno. You guys know if I can do my technique, it's good. ¿Dónde tú vives?
Maranata.
Maranata. Tú examinaste ahora. Maranata. Es diferente.
Oh.
Now I'm going to examine the one that doesn't have flour. ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Con abina?
Igual.
Huh?
Igual.
Well? Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of ranch dipping. ¿Te gusta marinata? Or tu gusta Sosua? Oh, marinata is in Sosua. ¿Te gusta para vivir? Do you like to live in Maranata or Albate? And Albate is a lot of tourists. No bate. Tu no turista. Right. Bate, where we are right now, is más caro. Donde tu vive is very expensive in Bate. And he lives in an area for Dominicans, where it is más barato. It's more inexpensive. Más barato.
Más barato. Yo no puedo venir al hotel.
Is donde tu vive is secure, Where you live, is it safe?
Sí, tranquilo, muy tranquilo.
Very tranquilo.
No bulla, no música.
No música. En serio.
Posible un fin de semana, sábado, domingo, pero no mucho tiempo.
Oh, he said there's some music on Saturday and Sunday, but not for a lot of time. No, más tarde en el noche. Not very much in the night. Here, look at this wing. I already took off the bone. Oh, smoky.
¿Sabes? Un domingo, un sábado, un poco tarde, día 11 p.m.
Mm,
Un domingo,
Domingo.
no siempre.
Mm. He says on Sundays, there's some music, sometimes until 11 o'clock at night, but not a lot. And Domingo is usually a big day for Dominicans. Es importante día para Dominicans.
Muy tranquilo.
Sí. El Domingo on Sunday.
Pero tu examen, tú comes todo. En examen. Comes todo. En examen. Vamos a comer todo.
He's like, you're examining it, you're tasting it, and he's like, are we going to eat them all? Mm-hmm.
Examen y todo terminado.
Mm-hmm.
Y examen.
Is it's bueno. You guys can get 6 pieces or you can get 4 pieces. We got 4 pieces. Nosotros tenemos 4 piezas. 4 of one kind and 4 of the other. But the 4 pieces that you get all are the whole entire piece. Tú otra vez y yo otra vez. So, ¿cuántos años tú vives en Maranata? How many years did you live in Maranata?
10 años.
10 years. Antes, ¿dónde tú vives? Where, before that, where did you live?
Charamiko.
Charamicos. ¿Dónde yo vivo? I live in Los Charamicos. Oh. ¿Con quién? With who?
Mamá.
Your mom. Your mom. Y tu madre vive en America now. America ahora.
América, mucho tiempo, América.
¿Cuántos años? How many years she lives there for?
Yo pienso 6 años.
His mom moved 6 years ago. Y ¿te gusta Dominican Republic?
Mi país.
It's his country. He's like, it's my country. ¿Tú en Altero?
No.
PS?
No.
No? I asked him, have you been to another country? Not yet. ¿Tú quieres? Un día?
¿Otro país?
Another country?
Posible.
Pero mucha gente quiere aquí, but many people want here.
Oh, momento. No recuerdo.
No recuerdo qué. ¿Tu licencia?
Momento.
He got his license. Congratulations. Oh, wow, Eddie. Es bueno. Congratulations. About today's meses? No, 4 meses. Yeah. About 4 months ago, I said to Eddie, you know, I want to start renting cars and I might want to buy a vehicle here. And you're my trusted motor concho. So please, do me a favor, get your license. And he was like, oh, okay. And right away, muy rápido. See, he learned in a big truck. Y ahora, tú tienes licencia. Yo renta un carro en posible una semana. Ah.
Depende mi pie.
Oh, yeah. It depends on his feet because his feet are also hurt from his moto accident. But he was wearing his helmet. Tú usar tu casco cuando tú tienes accidente.
Siempre.
Siempre. Always.
Siempre. En la noche, todo siempre.
Siempre tú. He said all the time, in the night, all the time he uses his casco. Right? Tu gusta tu casco. So also here you have a choice between French fries and plátano. This is plátano. Plátano is banana, green banana, and they fry it up. They slice it. First they boil it a little bit, and then they slice it, and then they put it in a frying pan. They flatten it down and put it in a frying pan and fry it up. But okay, I would say these are delicious wings. The only thing is, I would say more sauces available would be great. There's only regular, spicy, and salt and pepper. And I like a little bit of options when it comes to wings. But, it is what it is. And for what they have available, I think they're pretty good. This is called Treehouse. Can you say Treehouse? Tú puedes hablas Treehouse.
This how?
Tree
Three.
house is casa mates.
El nombre de este restaurante. This how?
Tree house. Pero tree is mates y house is
mates.
casa. Mates.
Mates.
Entonces,
Matas.
matas casa. Tree house. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Cerise, and tu nombre is Eddie. And Eddie is my good friend here in the Dominican Republic. I'm so happy he's alive. He's very fortunate. Tu mucho fortunado para tu vida. Dios te bendiga. He's very
Gracias.
fortunate for his life. De nada. Anything could have happened during his moto. He's not showing you guys his stuff here, but his feet, his arms, his hands, and he's so lucky that he was wearing a casco, a helmet, because only God knows what could have happened if he wasn't. Please stay safe out there, guys, when you're coming here. A lot of the accidents that are on the roads are gringos, mucho gringos and accidentes aquí. Because they drink alcohol, mucho alcohol. Y, yo puedo drive con alcohol. In Canada is no.
En Canadá ni América.
No.
Alcohol, no driver.
Right. You alcohol, no drive. But here you can. And I believe they're going to change that. Un día aquí cambio. Igual, un día.
Ojalá.
See. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for joining us again, Cerise and Eddie. And I want to say bye-bye. Thank you, Eddie, for joining me. Gracias para disfrutar alitas conmigo.
Gracias.
Bye, guys.